a special feature on Punjab. While Punjab has no national parks, it protects North India's largest wetland ecosystem, Harike. Created in 1952 by the Harike barrage at the confluence of the Sutlej and Beas rivers. This 86 square kilometer wetland was declared a wildlife sanctuary in 1982 and designated a Ramsar site of international importance in 1990. Harike is a paradise for birdwatchers. Over 375 bird species recorded, with 45,000 ducks arriving during peak migration season from as far as Siberia and the Arctic. The wetland shelters the endangered smooth-coated otter, 7 species of turtles, and 26 fish species. A critical wetland sustaining millions. Next, continuing our national parks journey through India.